Welcome to Modmount, your trusted partner in trading. Today, we will be discussing an important topic: how your money is protected with modmountltd.com. Let's take a look at the measures we have in place to protect your investments. First and foremost, Modmount is trustworthy when it comes to safeguarding your investments. We employ top security measures for every trader. Our cutting-edge transaction encryption ensures that all your financial transactions are secure. This advanced encryption technology protects your money from unauthorized access and scammers during every transaction. Your personal data is also a top priority for us. We ensure the complete safety of your personal information, protecting it from potential breaches. Modmount trading servers are housed in a SAS 70 certified area, providing a high level of security and reliability. This certification demonstrates our commitment to maintaining the highest security standards. For those who are new to trading or want to hone their skills, we offer a demo account. This allows you to practice and familiarize yourself with the trading environment before engaging in real trading. It's an excellent way to build confidence and develop your trading strategies without risking your money. We understand the importance of keeping your funds safe. That's why we use segregated accounts to ensure your money is kept separate from our operating funds. This practice adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind that your funds are protected. At Modmount, we also provide hands-on support. Our dedicated support team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. If you need help with modmountlogin or any other aspect of your trading experience, our team is here to help. We also protect our traders from scammers by implementing stringent security measures and regularly reviewing our protocols. This ensures that Modmount is trustworthy and focused on your safety. Regardless of which strategy you choose, it is crucial to stay informed and adapt to market changes. Modmount is here to support you with educational resources, market analysis, and dedicated customer service. In summary, your money is well protected with Modmount. From cutting-edge encryption and secure servers to segregated accounts and comprehensive support, we take every measure to ensure your funds are safe. Trust in Modmount's commitment to your security and enjoy a worry-free trading experience. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. And remember to like and subscribe for more informative content. Happy trading!